Hello everybody, welcome to Okes. I'm your host this episode, RIP. I'm gonna try to put the name, like the words right here, RIP. All right, and for this episode, I want to let you know that Okes got his first sponsorship. Spider Farmers was gracious enough to bless us with their SF1000 LED light. All right, so in this episode, now I'm gonna hit you with a disclaimer before I start the episode, right? I am not a lighting professional, nor do I pretend to be a lighting professional. But I do know enough about lights to get my plants from seed to finish. All right, so in this episode, I'm gonna be telling you guys what features come with this light and what accessories that you can expect when you order this light. All right, so let's dive into this. From first look, the light comes secure, sandwiched between styrofoam and cardboard. Floating around the box is the owner manual. Once you begin to remove your cardboard and styrofoam, you will see an Ethernet cable. That Ethernet cable is used to connect multiple lights together to allow sync controlling. The new updated model now comes with a dimmable light control, so you no longer need to unscrew your driver to dim your lights. On top of your lights, you'll find every accessory needed to hang your lights up. 2 stainless steel hangers and 2 ratcheting hangers. Powering everything is a mid-wheel driver with approximately a 6-foot cord already attached. The light features the Samsung LM301B diode supplemented with deep red and far red LEDs. On a quick note or side note, whatever kind of note you want, Samsung is the top LED manufacturer on the market right now. So finding something better, I'm not saying it's impossible to find something better, but to find something better is going to be extremely hard. Now, as you can see, when I tilt the light, that there's a glare from the protective splash-proof coating. The SF1000 comes with an easy-to-use dimmable light control with the on and off switch. The LED lights are mounted directly to the aluminum board using the board as a heat sink. It's a plus because there's no fans on there, so less noise. The SF1000 consumes approximately 100 watts at max performance. When I plugged it into my energy usage meter, it showed that the light was actually consuming 98 watts. When at max performance, you can expect an amp draw of 0.82 amps at 120 volts. When I put it in the meter, it was at 0.80 at 120 volts. Your amp draw would decrease as you increase your voltage or as you dim your light. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. All right, thank you guys.